The CRUX SWRCR-59 radio installation kit makes it straightforward to install an aftermarket head unit in many Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models from the mid-2000 decade through the early 2010 decade without cutting factory wiring. It is designed to keep key factory functions working, so features like warning chimes and vehicle settings generally remain intact after the upgrade. The interface preserves the original amplifier in vehicles that have one, which helps maintain balanced sound and avoids the hassle of a full audio rewiring job. Built-in steering wheel control support lets you keep using your factory audio buttons with most popular aftermarket radios, adding convenience and a more factory-like feel. The module also provides dedicated connections for reverse gear, illumination, and speed signal outputs, which is especially helpful when adding navigation or a backup camera. Overall, this kit offers a tidy, well-thought-out solution that saves installation time and delivers a clean, reliable integration between modern stereos and older Chrysler Group vehicles.